Welcome to our video on how to list your products on Amazon Global Selling. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of listing your products using the Create a New Listing method across Amazon's 18+ international marketplaces. If your product is completely new to Amazon, choose Create a New Listing. You will be asked to enter product title, brand name and manufacturer, product category, key features and detailed description, images, product identifiers, UPC, EAN or exemption approval. Once submitted, Amazon will assign a unique ASIN to your product. To make your listings more effective and stand out from competition, you can follow these steps. Use clear, high-resolution images, minimum 500 by 500 pixels. Write short, accurate titles with important keywords. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits. Give accurate and correct product details. Follow Amazon's content and category-specific guidelines. That's it. You can now begin listing your products confidently and go global with your business on Amazon. Thank you and happy selling!